Maudu megutanyitwo kaunti-ini ya Meru, gicigo-ini kia umbunge kia Igembe ya rugongo, mbuto ya NASA igitungia uregani munene ni aikari ya guku aria mehitire NASA ndikuraga gicigo-ini kiu.
Tuweke hapo aone.
Aikari ya mwena wa Lare makiririmbura maguru ma ngari mwaki utuma ndumiriri ati kaunti ya Meru ni kimamo ya kiama kia Jubilee. Na ari njira ya gukindira ndeto ino marika kumudia mwaki haria NASA igutanyitwo kurekereria ndumiriri yao ya gutiri githurano angikorwo mendekithie mao ma mogaruruku matho-ini ma githurano matikurumbuyo.
Naona kuna watu ambao wamelipwa na Jubilee kuja kundisrupt mkutano, lakini inyeze iwe njua iwe nini, lazima President Raila Odinga atasuru hapa na atahutubia.
Giko giki giacungiriria atongoria NASA kuhunduka nginyagia mucii wa Nairobi kuria Raila Odinga abikire ndumiriri ya hinahi akiuga ithagathago icio ikubangitwo ni Jubilee unyitaniri-ini na maabitha a borithi. Raila akiuga mamukirire mwerekera uyu kuma kuri inspector wa borithi Joseph Boinett. Naona macio magithiaga na mbere, NASA ni amukirire rutha kuma kuri igoti inene rwa gutabania mirurungano micini minene ta uria mumbunge wa Mathare Anthony Oluoch na wakiri Nelson Have matiterithirie guku mucii wa Nairobi.
We welcome the decision of the High Court this morning lifting the CS Fred Matiang'i's illegal and unconstitutional move purporting to ban the exercise by the people of their constitutional rights under Article 37 to picket, demonstrate and to assemble peacefully, and further restraining police from arresting the NASA CEO Norman Magaya. For the benefit of the doubt, this is the order of the court.
No na gukire uguo mwaria wa thirikari erikira ithe ndanaria mari gukuruta mwerekera wa thirikari wegie rutha ruru rwa igoti inene.
After accessing, the government never at any point banned demonstrations, but after assessing the needs of every Kenyan, looking at the reality on the ground, we still discourage any party whatsoever to make the kind of demonstrations we have seen in Kisumu, the kind of demonstrations we saw developing in the city center of Nairobi. I must admit, Mombasa people seem to be much more organized, but we want the rights of the holders of big and small businesses, the rights of people to move within the city centers and access other services to be taken as a primary consideration, and we shall continue doing it because the government is here for all Kenyans.
Ngwataniro ya NASA ni igete mohio mirurungano yao nginya gatano ga kiumia giki makiuga rucio ruru gukia makagomana na arumiriri yao kiharo-ini gia Kamukunji kuria makaheana mwerekera wao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.